Hello everyone, welcome to the App Review Wednesday, and today I'm going to do a review on the app called Debit and Credit. What this app is basically a financing app that you can keep track of your checkbook, credit cards, saving accounts, and all that, and get reports done to see how much money you're spending on this item. You can set budgets to a select amounts for like just about budget for food, budget for messing around money, budget for gas and all that. So you can always know how much you can spend per week or per month. So when you first download the app, you get these options. But before you can really do anything, you have to add an account. So I'm just gonna add a quick account right now. And then I'm gonna go to balance let's just do 200. And you can set as United States dollars and transaction type. Let's just use this as a regular account. So just regular transaction account. And then I'm just gonna click done. And so now you have an account added. So now I can go into budgets and add a budget. Let's call this food. And required, the limit, let's do $20. Okay. And then I'm just want to set this as restaurants and cafes, okay? As a category. And then start period from now, and let's do and then carryover. Basically what carryover is the funds that you don't use get carried over to the next one. So let's do every 1 week that you get that budget, and then starts today. And click OK. So this is the budget, and it will. Now let's add something to the main account. Let's just add a transaction. So down here, you would click this plus button down here to add a transaction, and then you can do it as a negative, positive, or a transfer. That's what the two arrows is. So let's do an amount, and then you also have a calculator too, which is kind of neat too. Let's just do, I don't know, let's do $5. And then the description, you can, this is what I usually call like if it's food or something in particular. But you can leave that blank. The category, now this is where you have to make sure in the category, select restaurants and cafe, because that's what it uses to keep track of your budget. And then go to payee, let's just type in, let's just do McLannister's. And then extra options, you can take a picture. Let's say for example, you get a picture, a receipt, and you can attach the receipt to this transaction so you can keep track of your receipts. I used to do that, but then it's been a hassle taking receipts and attaching it and all that. It just became a hassle. So once I get done with this, I'm going to click done. And here, as you can tell, it does it by days. It shows you your negative $5, and then, but let's go back, you push this button down here to go back to your home. So let's go to budget and see what happens. As you can see, it already started a line. If you click on it, you can delete it, or click transactions, and it would show you what transactions you've done. So if you forgot what you did, you have it. You can always pull this up and see where you spent the money at and different things. So that's interesting. Scheduled would be like if you have bills or payments that you have to make every single month. and it would automatically deduct it from your balance. But if you don't write out the check or don't pay the money, then it's kind of bad luck for you. But this is just basically where you don't have to keep going in every single week or every month, adding the same transaction to your thing. It will automatically deduct it out of the account and have its little description. And it's the same setup as like you would at transaction. Or if you like transfer money every month or something. And then the other option, last option of the app is reports. If you click reports, you can see what do I spend my money on the most. So if you do this, it will show you the categories you spend the most money in. Where do I spend your money? The top place you spend, how much I earn compared to my expenses. Am I getting richer or poorer? It does a bunch of different calculations under that. As you can see, my income, as it shows, $0, and then my expenses were zero. Well, my expenses were $5. And then my sources of income, it shows you a breakdown of all your sources of income. How well do I manage your budget? It basically tells you you're doing good or you're doing bad. And how spending is changing. So if the app notices that you don't spend a whole bunch of money in a month, you can go here and see what you did to save money or something. That's that option. So overall, this is a great app, and one thing that I do like about this app is it has a Mac application, so you can manage it also on Mac. So that is really, really nice. And then here you can add extra accounts or delete an account under different things. Categories, you can go in and add special categories or incomes if they don't have a preset one, but they're pretty good about their preset ones. Locations and security, you can set it up where not everyone can open the app, only you or anyone that has the PIN can open the app, or you can use Touch ID to unlock the app too. So that's really nice. iCloud Sync is where you can sync all the data to iCloud. And then color themes, which that is spelled wrong too. Okay. Themes is basically different colors you can change the app to. You can see pink, purple, lavender, different things. So it's just a bunch of different, some fun settings you can change. And then a tutorial basically will go on about different things. So overall, this is an amazing app. I've used it for about a year now. I actually paid for the paid version. It is, I believe, $1 in the App Store. And basically what you get with the paid one is iCloud Sync, and the ability to add more than 2 accounts. Because if you're using the free one, you have only the ability to add 2 accounts, which that might be good for some people, might not. I noticed that I used more accounts than usual, so I always had it synced with this app. And again, it has a Mac application that you download from the Mac Store, and it's basically the identical thing as the mobile app. So it's really nice, the same navigation. The only thing that I wish that they would add is actually show the balance of what the account was after you did this, just so you can compare things and different things. That's one thing that I really wish they had, where you could actually see the total over here too, instead of just your negative. So yeah, that's the my review on the Debit and Credit app for iOS. I'll leave down a link down below where you can download it. And I'll see you in the next one. Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you in the next one.